Yes, first defense number 1. Defense against strike ng bolo o kaya stick. Slow motion. May dalawang slow motion po yan. Madali natin sundan, ano? Okay? Tula! 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 Slow motion.
Palakpakan naman kayo dyan.
Yun po yung defense number 1. No? Against sa club attack o kay bolo. Okay? Then, pangalawang defense po, ito po ay defense sa akin sa grab from the back. No, grabbing from back. Tula! 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 Okay. Tapos slow motion. Tula! 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 Slow motion kay Tactics 1. Grab sa likod. Go!
Oh, galing.
So yun po yung technique number 2. No? Ito po ang technique number 3. Against po ito sa stop. No, put